Hello everyone, welcome to another session here of Blitz tutoring, specifically chemistry Blitz, here at Content Learning with yours truly, Jorge Bartra. So we're going to talk about how to get the mass, molecular mass of C3H8O or any other molecule that you may have. So the first thing you want to do is you write the elements. In this case you have C, H, and O. So we say equal sign, equal sign, equal sign. And now we're going to look into our handy dandy periodic table. I go into ptable.com. I recommend to go there if you want to look up for a periodic table. And in this case, you're going to see here that if we look for carbon, we have 12.011 AMU. So we go ahead and write here 12.011 AMU. So let's see here, AMU. And then we look up hydrogen. So now we go into hydrogen. We have 1.008. So we have here 1.008 AMU, which stands, by the way, for atomic mass unit. And then oxygen, we look up here. We have 15.999. So we write here 15.999 AMU. So now that we have the atomic mass units for each element, what we do is we count the elements, the amount of atoms that we have in this case. So in this case, for example, C, we look at the subscript and we see that C has 3 atoms, H has 8 atoms, and of O, 1 atom. So all of those atoms together make up the molecule C3H8O. So we go ahead and say, okay, well, if I have 3 carbon, then I multiply 12.011 times 3, and I multiply here 1.008 times 8 because I have 8 hydrogen, and I have 15.999 times 1 because I have 1 oxygen. Make equal signs. So then I go ahead and use my handy dandy calculator. So I just go here to my calculator and type 12.011 times 3. That will leave you with 36.033. So I write 36.00. My bad, I said 00. It will be just 033. So right here, 33. And that will be again in AMU. So we write here our nice unit AMU. And now we have 1.008 times 8. So that'll be 1.008 times 8. And that will leave you with 8.064. So 8.064 AMU. And finally, 50.999 times 1 should give you the same thing, which is going to be 15.999 AMU. And so we go ahead and add them all up. So again, we use our handy dandy calculator. And we add 36.033 plus 8.064 plus 15.999, and that will give you 60.096 AMU. So just like that, you found your molecular mass of C3H8O. So if, let's say, I want to use this for some other calculations, you can say as well that if you were to use this in, let's say, molecular weight, then this would just be as 60.096 moles. I'm sorry, grams. Let me erase that here quickly. Grams per mole. So let me just write that down, grams per mole. So if I were to say I have 1 mole of this molecule, then I will say if I want only 1 mole of C3H8O, then that will be a mass of 6.096 grams. That's what 1 mole of C3H8O will give you, a mass of 60.096 grams. Or if you want to convert it here, to round it up, you could say 60.1 grams, just like that. Anyways, I hope that this small session of Blitz Chemistry has helped you. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them at the comment box below. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.